was thinking about doing is doing a little bit of spin training in this thing.
You want to switch to chat?
Roger.
I'm here.
What I really been wanting to do for a long time is to practice a spin with this thing, just to see what it does.
Okay, well, be my guest. I'll just fly around some in the area.
Alright, in order to do this safely, I really should probably get up to what altitude?
You're going to do stalls and stuff like that?
A spin, yeah.
I'd go up to at least 2,500 and clear. Make a turn in both directions first to make sure there's nobody else around.
Alright, I'm gonna do it then. It's about time. I need to figure out and see what this thing does if it does a spin, because I need to be ready for it if it happens accidentally.
Yeah.
Jim's doing some low flying down there. I'm basically checking my 6 right now. Checking my size and it looks like he's landed. He's so low to the ground. God, it looks like he just landed.
Yeah, I'm doing it again.
The way your shadow looks, because it's at a 45, it makes it look like you're actually landing. Directly above you at almost 3,000.
Yeah, have you done stalls before?
What's that?
You've done stalls before.
I've done plenty of stalls in this thing, but I haven't put it into an intentional spin.
Well, don't do any spins.
Don't do any spins? Oh, why not?
Well, do you know if the plane's rated for that?
Yeah, it's rated for it.
Well, if you're going to do spins, I'd go higher than 3,000. I'd go up to 4 or 4.5.
Now you got me worried.
Have you ever done a spin before?
No, I've never done a spin before.
Tell me what you do.
Alright, so I pull the power off, keep the nose up, and just as it's stalling, kick the rudder over to the left. And then after it starts spinning once or so, I basically push the nose forward, keep the aileron centered, and I give it opposite rudder.
I think that's right. There's a saying that goes with it.
I know it's right because I've been reading online about it. 3,500 feet. Jim's got me worried now. Gosh dang it, man. On the one hand, I'm like, what's the rush? You know, I could always do this some other day. But on the other hand, it's like, no time like the present, you know? Sure would be a crappy day to die if I got this thing into a spin and couldn't get back out. Fuck. 4,000.
Have you done it yet?
No, I'm scared now. Right, pull the power back a little more. We're going to cruise at about 3,900. We're up at 5,000 feet. And what I don't want to do is I don't want to shock my engine. I don't want to shock cool it. Oh, fucking mother Hummer. I don't know why I'm so fucking paranoid of this. It's because I have a survival instinct. I want to survive. Who the hell puts an airplane into an intentional spin without it doing any practice first? I mean, without getting any training specifically. My only fear, and it shouldn't be a fear, is that I won't have enough control authority. But I think I do. I don't think I'm going to get locked into a freaking spin that I'm not going to be able to get out of. we're almost at stall speed, like right now. Alright, I'm gonna do a couple stalls here. I'm gonna do a couple stalls. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, but I still can't see you.
I'm gonna do a couple stalls here. Just to get warmed up. Full stall. Rudder to correct. Full stall. Use the rudder to correct. Drop the nose to get out of it. I don't see how this could be really that hard. It's just gonna scare the crap out of me probably. Do another stall here. Get used to this thing. Use the rudder to stay from spinning. I don't think this thing's gonna really spin that easy anyway. Alright, I'm gonna try one here.
Did you do a stall?
I've been doing stalls. I'm gonna try a spin now. I should probably do this over a field. Oh man. Seatbelt tight. I better make sure of that, so I don't fly out of this thing. 4,500 feet. I gotta do this. If I don't practice it now, it might catch me at some point when I'm not ready for it. Alright, let's do a clearing turn here.
So how'd your stalls go?
I chickened out. I'm still not doing one.
Well, that's okay, but you need to do it sometime.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. If you don't hear from me, that means something bad happened. Ooh, shit. Whoa. Whoa, shit. Woo. I didn't even see what my speed got to with those two. Alright, I just did a half a spin thingy. That wasn't really scary, it was just the fucking speed that got picked up, which was crazy. I didn't lose much altitude, I lost about 300 or 400 feet.
Yeah? Will your plane stall, actually?
Yeah, it did. It definitely went over upside down.
Your plane went upside down?
Yeah. Positive G's the whole time, though. I think I'm going to try one more of those. You there?
Yeah.
I'm making my way to Lebanon slowly.
Yeah, well, I still don't see you. I think you're making it all up.
Whatever, dude. You can watch the video. I'm going to try it again right now. Okay, here we go. Power off. And come on out of it. I didn't reach a never exceed. I only reached about 85 miles an hour, I think. Alright, I did a full rotation. It wasn't really a spin. It wasn't a snap. It just kind of gently did like a spin going down.
Well, I admire you for doing it at all. Scary a little bit?
It is. It's a little, not really, because it's so slow. I mean, it doesn't snap or anything like that. It just, then I'm pointing at the ground, and I'm spinning left, and then I just kind of pull out of it. It only reached about 85 miles an hour, so that was the important thing. I didn't want to reach my never exceed speed, so I was only hitting 85.
So where are you now?
I'm still kind of making my way to Lebanon.
Are you going to land there and get gas?
Yeah, I got to get some gas. I need to quit screwing around to get some gas.
All right, well, I'm that way too.
No, I'm fine. Shit. Got 1, 2, 3 gallons. Gonna do another one of these fuckers. There we go. Nose up. And nice gentle climb out. Alright, I just did another spin, about a turn and a quarter. Pretty easy to do. I don't lose much altitude. I lose like maybe 500 feet.
Yeah, well, that's pretty cool. Traffic 6659 Delta, turning downwind, runway 34, Lebanon. Doug, I don't see you. Are you on final?
I'm on a 50-yard final to 3-4.
Now I see you. Okay, I'm coming in right behind you.
Touching down now.
You're good.
Lebanon traffic, ultralight, take it off. Runway 34, west departure, Lebanon. It's like there's an aircraft on downwind, Jim.
I see you. I'll get out of your way.
So I'm going to try getting this thing up there again. And this time I'm going to stall it, and I'm going to spin it to the right. I'm going to put right rudder in and see if it snaps any faster. So I don't recommend doing this to anybody. I strongly advise against it. Teaching yourself how to spin is not something that you would normally do. Pull the power back. There we go.
Beautiful. You did two and a half turns.
I think it spins a little faster to the right than it does the left.
That was pretty fast. I mean, that looked like regular aerobatics.
Nice, so I'm doing aerobatics now?
That's what it looked like to me. Beautiful. That one was 2 turns.
Yeah, I wasn't really counting turns. I was just like, I was trying to get at least 2, and then I was like, okay, that's it. I'm coming out of this.
Yeah, that was beautiful, man. It looked textbook.
Nice. I ended up on the same heading, too.
Well, hey, shallows are getting long, bud.
Yeah, no, I'm going to do another spin here. I'm having too much fun. There we go.
Turns.
Heck yeah. Get some good video of Jim landing here. Landed.
Yeah, I wanted to make the first turn, but
Don't go around.